My name is Ryan Quintana. I am the founder of Green Website Hosting, and I want to show you a very cool way to start up a website on free hosting like HostGator or Godaddy, and absolutely free for the first term. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. But the only thing is that you're probably wondering, why am I wanting to show you this? Well, the reason why I want to show you this is because whenever I started up website creation for my own company, I also own a concierge. I was looking all over the place. I settled eventually for some free website builders in the beginning, and every website builder that I had ended up getting into was completely limited in what I could do, and it also even limited the way I could present my domain name. So if I wanted it www. whatever the heck I wanted it .com, the way it would set it up, it wouldn't let me customize things the way I wanted. So I'm going to show you the way a pro would do it. They would usually use WordPress because 90% of all the websites out there were using WordPress, and the whole time I was afraid to code. I was afraid to get into WordPress because I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know how to get into it. And I'm going to cover all of that in here because nobody showed me. Nobody wanted to show me. And the way they had all of the things out there, obviously everything costed money. So there was no way for me to start up right away. So how will this be done? Obviously, you're going to need to sign up for a hosting package, and I'm going to show you here how to. And also, if you want, you're going to need to sign up for a domain name. So that's the www. whatever your domain name is .com. And you can purchase that from me for $12 for the year, or you can get it also for $12 from me, or from another supplier. There are a few other domain name providers, and what that does is that just means that whenever somebody types in that domain name, it's going to point to this web hosting computer, there's another video for that if you don't know exactly what that means. I'll put the link down below if you want to know what a website is and what is a web hosting and all that. But it'll point to the website and then allow them to access the files, which are your website pages. So obviously it'll be done on the hosting platform, like I said, and you will need obviously an email address. So if you don't have an email address in this day and age, I don't know where you've been. So let's get started. We're going to start off with getting our coupon code here, which is test the best. And the website which we get it from is get.greenwebsitehosting.com. Okay, and I'll go ahead and copy the coupon code and click start your site now. Afterward, you can see what the price is going to be per month. But like I said, whenever you start up, you shouldn't have to pay a penny if you don't think something's going to work or you don't think it's going to bring some sort of return on investment. So the reason I had even made this hosting plan was because I had worked with somebody who does things on Comcast and PBS, and their website was on Squarespace, and they were paying $20 to $30 per month just to be able to have their website on there. So what we're going to do is, if you already purchased your web domain, I'm going to have that in a completely different video, how to purchase that. But on this page, what you're going to do is you're going to choose your domain name. Either you search for a domain name to register or transfer, and you could purchase it from me for $12 a year. Or if you already have one purchased, maybe you have it registered or you already purchased one from us, go ahead and type in the domain name which you would like your website set up under, and just click continue. We're going to say we already purchased ours, and I'm going to set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here test green testgreenwebsitehosting.com. I'm going to click continue. Once we're in here, we're going to go ahead and highlight the package that it was, and it was the limitless package that it is. The package chooser page. Whenever you get here, you're going to go ahead and see that we have package name, the description, and the price. So you'll see here we have the limitless package. It goes for $10.95 a month. We also have a deal on that currently. You can get that for free if you use the coupon code. So you go ahead and click on that and click sign up now, and you'll see the coupon code on the next on the payment page. We also have the starter, which is going for $3.99 a month. We also have the advanced package, which is going for $19.99 a month. We also have the standard, going for $9.99 a month. So go ahead and click on whichever one you'd like, and you can go ahead and click the sign up now, or you can click right there the active basket button. For this, so what you can see is $10.95 per month. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and click sign up. It's going to have you go ahead and create an account. This is the login page. From here, you could either log in into an account that you currently have with us, or you can create an account. Go ahead and enter your email here. And then if you don't have an account with us, go ahead and click right here, no, continue checkout, and you'll be asked to choose a password on the next screen. Verify that you're not a robot by clicking on that. Perform whatever task it asks. Click continue. If you already have an account though, go ahead and click yes, my password is, and then go ahead and type in your password. And I'm actually going to make a okay. Once we are in, this is where you register your customer information. So just fill out the required areas, and then go ahead and click on you accept the terms and conditions, and then click register now. We have an error on the form. Oh, we got to put it in this format, so we got to put for the United States, it is +1 for the country code. And that's because these are international phone numbers. And then just click register. This is the basket page. You're going to find whatever you've added into your basket. You can remove it by clicking that, or you can see exactly what the total is. Go ahead and enter your discount codes right there. We also have a featured discount code up here. You go ahead and click update once you're done. After you're done updating it, you'll see your new total. It'll show up down here. So now the new total is there. You can go ahead and click the buy now button, and that'll take you over to the PayPal portal. Once we come to the buy now page, you're going to go ahead and log in, and then once you get to login, you're going to click accept. Once you click accept and everything, you are going to come to a page that says everything was set up, and inside your email, you should receive an email after you. I'm going to log in. Whoops. And then you're going to go ahead, like I said, click accept. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. It says that we're buying just the hosting package, not the domain name yet. For testing greenwebsitehosting.com. It says that it's free for the first month, and then this is how much for each month. And you go ahead and click agree, and once you agree to everything, it will take you to this web page. Alright, so it says the payment has been completed. So it says, thank you, your payment has been successfully received and your transaction is being processed. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a look. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Carbon Positive web hosting package. The processing of your application is complete and your hosting is ready to use. Almost all of the administration of your account can be done through stackcp.com and logging in as testgreenwebsitehosting.com with the password, and then here's the new password. You'll find some vital information about your new web hosting account, so please keep this email safe. So here's the domain name. So you can see I have the unlimited business startup package, account setup. Okay, and so you can see also, if I take a look down here, here's name servers. So if you did not purchase the domain name from us, you'll need to change your name servers too. So you'll need to know what these are. And I'll go over that process here in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our control panel. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open that in a new tab. So we can go ahead and start logging in. You can see we're going to copy this link because that's our login. And I'm going to use that as our username. Sorry, without that. And then the password, and if I go back, I'll go ahead and copy the password. And obviously I'm going to delete this, so it's not going to be there anymore, so it doesn't matter if I show you this password. So I'm going to put in the password and then log me in. Okay, so I just logged into the control panel, and what is the control panel? This control panel allows you to control the computer that is on running 24/7. Even whenever your computer shuts off, this computer is out running constantly, and it's on green hosting. So if you go ahead and click here on File Manager, that will open up a File Explorer just like you have on your computer, and you can see the files you have on that computer that are being served to the internet constantly. And if you'd like, you could take a look here, and this is the temporary web address. Go ahead and right click and open that in a new tab. You'll see that it says this site is brand new. Please check back again soon. And that file is actually, if we go back in the File Manager, that's this index.php file that says that. And you can go in here and edit the files directly. You can click a new file, add new code in, and do everything from scratch if you'd like. The cool thing though is that I don't like to do everything from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make a website without any code whatsoever. And what we'll do is we'll go back into our control panel. And while we're in our control panel, we're going to install WordPress. WordPress is used to manage the content on 90% of the websites that are all over the internet right now. And majority of the tutorials you're going to find are going to be for WordPress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this directly to our web directory in the root file. So I'm just going to put slash, because I don't want it to say testgreenwebsitehosting.com / something else. I just want it to have a slash at the end. And then I'm going to install WordPress. And what that's going to do is it's going to say your WordPress installation was completed successfully. You could click testgreenwebsitehosting.com if you already have the domain name set up correctly. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on this one because This is the temporary address because it's staging it because we haven't purchased our domain name yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open that in a new tab. And as you can see here, it's going to open up our WordPress installation. We're going to go ahead and click through this, and this is just the same as any installation for software. We're going to click the language we want. We're going to title our website. Okay. And if you want the search engine to not index your site, click that. If you want it to be in Google, make sure that is not clicked. Go ahead and click Install WordPress. And then, as you can see, it'll say your username and your password. We're going to go ahead and log in. And so once I log in, you'll see that we are in the dashboard for our WordPress website.